Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you. And as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you. So just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for Taurians. What's the message for Taurians? The cards are. Okay, let's see what are the messages for Taurians. Okay, we have the Six of Swords, the Two of Pentacles, the Death, the Queen of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, the Chariot, the Ten of Wands, the Star, the Four of Pentacles, and the Fool. Page of Cups and the Judgment. Okay. So Taurians, there is a situation which you really want to actually leave, because you want to leave that situation towards peace, and there is some sort of a confusion regarding this situation over here. Okay, but that confusion is also ending. So there is a situation here which you are leaving, and you've been perhaps confused about the situation. Maybe the confusion can be that how to leave, what to do, should you leave, should you not leave, it's something like that. But then whatever this is, it has ended or it is ending. Okay, so what I'm getting here is that you are moving towards peace, and there is some sort of a confusion or some sort of a indecisiveness which is ending. So something here is coming to an end, and this was something which was cause of your double mind, I should say. That confusion, that double mind is ending, and you are moving towards peace. Okay, so the confusion is ending regarding whatever the situation it was, and that situation is coming to an end. That's what I feel. Then we have the Queen of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, and the Chariot. So definitely you are moving towards, you're opening up emotionally towards somebody here, and you are moving towards someone, towards some relationship here, and it's really got rolling very fast. Things picked up pace very fast. And once you have dealt with the sort of pain here, whatever has come up with this Death card or whatever has ended, you've given that time to rejuvenate yourself. You've given the time to rejuvenate, and once you have given the time to rejuvenate yourself, you are ready to move ahead emotionally, move forward emotionally towards someone else. And things have started, or things will pick up pace really fast. And once this situation, you are able to handle this effect of this Death card or whatever has ended, or this transition or this change, whatever this change was in your life, you feel unburdened and relaxed, and you really feel that your wishes have come true, your dreams are fulfilled, and this situation is even giving you a lot of hope, and a lot of healing is also there. Okay, and you feel very, very content over here. Maybe you are not sharing this with anyone, it's something close to your heart. And then with the Fool, Page of Cups, and the Judgment, what I feel, there are many major cards out here. Okay, there is definitely, you are this is something which is very, very precious, I should say, to you. And it's like you're holding on to it, or you're keeping it a secret, and then you decide, okay, I'll risk it and I'll just open up. So maybe it's like if you like someone, you love someone, and then you are holding on to it. Okay, should I tell, should I not tell to this person? But then definitely with the Fool and the Page of Cups, there is a new beginning in love. That's what I feel for you. And this is a situation which is closely guarded, so it is a dream come true for you. It is your wishes being fulfilled. You are taking the risk of opening up, and taking a risk of a new beginning in some direction here. And then we have the judgment. So there is a decision regarding this new beginning. Okay. This is a major decision over here which you are making. Regarding opening up to someone, that's what I feel. So definitely there is a situation which has caused a lot of confusion or double-mindedness in your life, and you wanted peace but you were not able to get it, and that situation is coming to an end. You've given yourself the time to rejuvenate, giving yourself the time to recoup of the effect, and then you are moving forward in love, and things are picking up pace very fast, and you feel really unburdened, you feel at cloud 9, you feel really happy, it's something very close to your heart. And with the Fool, again there is some sort of a new beginning here. It can be some sort of a new beginning with the Page of Cups and the Judgment. There is a decision over here regarding a new beginning emotionally, at the emotional level. It can be something else. It can be sort of leveling up in the relationship or moving to the next level. It can be that also. But this beginning doesn't seem to be a very big one, though the decision seems to be big, but then the beginning is small. It's like a small gesture, a small message, or something like that. But yes, it is an important decision for you. It is an important decision for you. So there is a decision over here which is being taken regarding a situation which is really important or close to your heart. Let's see what is the message from this deck. The Three of Spades. So there is some pain. So what I feel here is that this is the pain which is ending here with the Death card. This is a pain over here which is there in your heart deep within, which is ending over here with the Death card. So this is what you're dealing with, which was causing you a lot of confusion, and this is what you're letting go. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Guardian of emotion. This situation requires emotional maturity and total trust. You are surrounded by those who only have best of intentions, so you can rely on the advice you are given. Challenges will be resolved. This card also indicates a generous humanitarian and a refined person whom you can completely depend on. This could be a reference to the characteristics within yourself. So Taurians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.